Hey, what's up guys, this is Emmanuel Ajekwe on EATVR, and we are doing another unboxing on a music player and also a blender. I decided to get a blender after my old blender got spoiled when making a pineapple juice, and got the mini CD player to make my Christmas a splendid one. Let's put the player aside and do the unboxing for the blender or the mixer. Okay. We have the cover for the top of the blender, and we have the mini blender. Let's put that away. We have this blender too as well. Then the motor for the blender. Let's see what's inside again. Now all that is left in the box is the user manual. Let's put that aside. Oh, we have the cover here too. Now let's see how this works. This is, then let's take our blender and fix it in. We are good to go. Then our lid is fixed. We have the cover for the lid as well. Now let's remove this. Let's fix this one. This one is mainly purposed for dry stuff. Let's take off the card, fix it. So the same way we fix it, that's the same way we fix this as well. This is it for the blender, and the blender doesn't come with too much regulators. It has just two options to regulate the blender. It has the power on and it has the pause. With this blender, you can't really increase the speed as to which you like. I want to increase the speed from 1, 2, 3. No, this blender just takes it straight. Once powered on, that's all. You can't really take the blender to a higher speed. You are just using the normal speed of the motor. Basically, that's it for this blender. So let's put this aside. Let's put this one. Now we move on to the NASCO mini CD player. Okay, first of all, take this off, put that somewhere, and we have the speaker. Let's put the speaker somewhere. We have another speaker. Let's put the speaker somewhere, and the main system. With the user manual and the audio jack. In this package, they gave us a battery, an audio jack, and a remote to control the entire system. And we have the user manual which I'll read later. Okay, let's take off the rubber. This player comes in black. This is it for the player. So like you can see, let me take this off. You can see the player. At the back we have the power cable and the connectors for the system. So also at the back of this we have the connector for the player, and the same applies to this. It has the volume control over here, it has the power button here, it has the stop, the play and pause, the rewind, the forward, and the mode to switch from USB, CD, aux and FM. An earphone jack for you to connect to listen if you want to listen privately, and a USB port for you to play any music with the USB. This is the area to insert the CD to play your music. So we'll be connecting this to the back of the speaker. The same thing to the back of the speaker. Right now we have our two speakers connected to the main system power cable, so we can do some music testing. It's on now. I'll be doing a sound test to see how it will be like. So basically this is all for the testing of the NASCO mini player, and as you can tell the sound was quite good, but it wasn't that good to my expectation. But anyways, it's manageable. I could feel the bass, I could feel some clear sounds in the music through the speaker. So I think this speaker is good, and I think it's worth buying. At least for a low budget speaker, you can get this one. Anyways, thank you very much guys. This is all for the unboxing of the blender and the NASCO player. Catch you on the next video.